So if you see here, in the after the student details, one box is empty, and below the serial number also one box is empty. It is not looking good. So I want to merge these two cells and these two cells. Okay, first I will merge these two. So to merge the cells, just select these two cells and come here. In the home button you have merge and center. Okay, this one, just merge and center. So see, these both two boxes are merged, and same like this, just select these two. You can either click here, otherwise right click and go here, this one. So merge and center. So after that you can align wherever you want, whether the middle, left side, right side. So you can, that alignment I will tell you in next video. So that's it about the merging. Okay.